Hi everyone, I'm Irma, and you might be wondering, why should I actually know about image sizes and what is there to know? But the answer is simple. Images have such a great effect on your website that every single detail matters. And actually sometimes it just comes down to convenience. But before we can even start thinking about image sizes, we have to talk about formats. There are two common types of formats, and those are JPEGs and PNGs. And a good rule of thumb is to use JPEGs for photos and PNGs for graphics. If you, for any reason, save a photo as a PNG and a graphic as a JPEG, you probably won't notice the difference at first. You will run into some problems when compressing the images though. A quick side note. You should compress every single image you have on your website because it will help drastically with the page loading speed and with SEO as well. And who doesn't want a page to load instantly or close to it, right? So compression is a must, and that's how we can run into some problems with formats. Let me show you. Remember, PNG for graphics, JPEGs for images. So here we have the same photo saved as PNG and JPEG and compressed. As you can see, the one saved as JPEG is not that grainy, although that's not the biggest difference. It is considerably smaller as well. So that would be the best choice in this case. The same goes for graphics, although as you can see here, the reduction in quality is much more noticeable with graphics. Alright, now that you've got your format, we can jump straight into image sizes. So, when you upload an image to WordPress, it automatically makes 3 different versions of it in 3 sizes. And the sizes are thumbnail, medium, large. And the dimensions are predefined by WordPress. So a thumbnail size will be 150 pixels square. Medium will reach a maximum of 300 pixels width and height, and a large will be 1024 pixels max width and height. And full size will be the original size of the image that you've uploaded. That's simple. It is possible that you want your images to be in different sizes, not the default sizes. So there's a way you can change that in WordPress so it's more convenient to you. Let me show you how that's done. First, you have to open your WordPress dashboard. Then go to settings here and media. And here you can see all the sizes. And you can define any other value. For example, 400 pixels here for the medium size, width and height. Save changes. And that is it. You have set your own WordPress image sizes. There are some recommended image sizes that will ensure that your content will look good and in proportion. So let me just pop them right here. You can find this list in the whole blog post as well, and I'll link it down below for you. And that's it. Now you know all there is to know about WordPress image sizes, and you can adjust them to your liking. So thank you all for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.